okay? All right, so do me a favor. Can you reach up and push that button right there? There we go. All right. So Jeremy and Phil here in this beautiful black Lamborghini Huracan. We're gonna go out. I'm gonna teach you all about driving, and then you're gonna drive. Okay. We're gonna come in. We're gonna get some fuel, and then you and I are gonna switch, and then you're gonna drive. Okay.
Got it.
All right. So Phil, most important thing is keeping your eyes up out the windshield. Okay. All right. All right, so I'm gonna come out. I'm gonna get a little bit of space here so that I can show you all about it, right?
Gotcha.
Eyes are up. I'm gonna have the mirrors. I'll worry about everything around us and behind us. Right out here, what I'm gonna have you do is I'm gonna have you roll on the gas. Get familiar with the gas pedal. I'm gonna have you lift and I'm gonna have you squeeze those brakes. And I'm gonna have you release, okay? I want you to get familiar with the gas and the brake before we really try to go fast, okay?
Gotcha.
So we're coming back over to my side, Phil. I'm gonna roll on that gas. I'm gonna lift. I'm gonna squeeze those brakes. Now, we're playing connect the dots with the orange cones, the green cones, okay? So we got orange here. We're gonna come back over to the green on your side.
Got it.
Okay? I'm gonna start slowly rolling on that gas, coming out here. I'm gonna create a little more space, okay? Lift, squeeze those brakes hard. Feel how hard those brakes are, right?
Yeah.
So, we're gonna come back into your side, turn in, back to the green on my side. Now, all I'm doing is maintaining speed through that corner. I'm gonna roll on the gas a little bit here. I'm gonna squeeze the brake, I'm gonna release, I'm gonna turn back into my side. Down the hill to the orange, I'm gonna lightly touch the brakes here, I'm gonna release, I'm gonna come back to my side. Now, rolling on that gas, the cones are on your side, so I'm gonna have you stay on your side. Here, you can give it as much as you want. Now, this is a kid here. Lift, squeeze those brakes, and make sure you release before we get to the corner, and then come through the corner, okay? Now, we're gonna squeeze those brakes, release, we're gonna stay out wide here, then we're gonna turn back into your side, right? You see that tape on the track?
Yep.
That's our 3-foot visual tape, okay? We're always gonna stay 3 feet away from the edge of the track, cones, and walls, okay? So, eyes are up, turning cone is down at the bottom of the hill. So what we do is we always keep the car on the side of the track where the cones are. Like here, we're staying on my side because that's where the cones are, okay? So I'm gonna slow down, I'm gonna turn back into the green, up ahead.
Yeah.
Eyes are up, I'm looking ahead for the orange.
Got it.
Now I'm gonna squeeze that brake, I'm gonna release, I'm gonna turn back into my side. Eyes are up, I'm gonna slowly start to accelerate through here. I'm gonna squeeze that brake, release, turn in. This is one kind of turn all the way through here. We have 2 green cones, which is 2 centers of the corner cones, okay?
Got it.
So, rolling on that gas. Now, once that steering wheel is in a straight line, okay? I'm gonna lift, let the car coast again. No brakes in this corner. It unsettles the car, right? So, I'm rolling on that gas, I'm lifting, I'm squeezing those brakes. Now, I'm coming out, I'm looking for the orange here. Staying out wide. Now I'm going to turn back into the green. Rolling on that gas. What that does is that allows you, when you wait for the turn in, it allows you to accelerate faster out of the corner. Okay? So lifting, squeezing the brakes. Do you have any questions so far, Phil?
Nope. I'm following right along.
So it's as simple as connect the dots with the orange cones, green cones, right? We're smooth with the steering wheel. We are as smooth as we can be with the accelerator, and we are smooth and firm on the brakes. Okay? Now, smooth, like I said before, is the key to being fast, all right? Now, in the event of any sort of passing, Phil, I'm going to coordinate with the other instructor. Now, this lap, I'm going to kind of let it kind of hang out there, okay?
Got it.
I want to show you the capabilities and all that stuff of the car. Now, if I start squealing the tires or stuff, we don't want to do that when you're driving, okay?
Right.
See how the back end kind of twitches a little bit there?
Uh-huh.
I'm not going to have you take that corner flat. We're going to go through there. Tires. How you feeling?
Feeling good.
All right. So third and final lap, we're going to come around this corner. We're going to get the braking done so the brakes can kind of cool off. Then we're going to come into the pits. Okay.
Got it.
So what we're going to do is we're going to stop up here. We're going to get 2 photos of you. Okay. So we'll get 2 photos real quick of you over there, and then we'll get 2 photos of you over here, okay?
Got it.
How was that, Phil?
It was good. It was good. I'm following along with my feet.
That's good. 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 And then do me a favor, Phil. Really push that button. Stop that